We are excited to share with you a simple setup trading with IQ option that will significantly enhance your trading experience. Our strategy have resulted in more wins than losses. We currently have an open position for our Euro to Japanese yen currency pair. Our strategy is as follows. Whenever the red line touches the light blue or gray line, there's a high chance of a significant reversal. Let's examine our open position more closely. We see lines crossing at this point, followed by a slight downward trend for 1 minute of expiration time, with a 10-second candle time period. I've grayed out my candle bar so that only our two lines are visible. Got good trading result. Here's another confirmation. There's a good reversal on Euro to US dollar as it displays a reversal pattern. If we switch to a higher candle time period, we can clearly see a long red wick or hammer candle here. Let's trade with this. We'll wait for our trade to complete. It's important to familiarize yourself with the pattern of market prices, which can vary daily for each currency. Also, consider the busiest hours and optimal buying time period. The results are positive. Let's find another suitable spot to trade. Pound sterling to US dollar has swiftly shifted its trend, indicating that the trend will likely rise following its crossover. Let's go trade higher. We have also charting patterns available for 1 minute intervals if you wish to familiarize yourself with possible reversals or trends for specific currency pairs. We have a special case here, two lines that are distant from each other. There are early signs of shifting, with the potential for the trend to lower. Let's decide to trade lower. For more information, please watch the rest of the video and check out the description below for the parameter settings and the options we used during this trading session. We are grateful to one of our traders for sharing their dual indicator trend strategy, which has gotten positive results, far beyond those of standard moving averages. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest trading strategies with IQ Option and other binary options brokers.